Welcome! In front of me is MSI Cyborg 15, and in this video I will show you how to turn off your laptop. So normally you can do that by pressing the start button right here, then going into power options and selecting shutdown. But if you can't, if your device is not responding and your screen is frozen, you can shut down the device forcefully. To do that, press and hold the power key of your laptop for a while. And once the light disappears from your device's keyboard and your screen shuts down, your device is switched off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.